We often encounter cases of people who appear to be healthy, even young individuals, suddenly dying, with the cause of death often being a sudden heart attack. Many people believe that exercise is always good for the body, but that is not the case. Especially for individuals with weak hearts such as heart arrhythmias, occasional discomfort in the chest area, fatigue, exhaustion, stress, insomnia, etc., strenuous physical activity is dangerous. These symptoms may not be recognized as abnormalities in an early heart examination, leading to doctors not identifying the problem or believing that no treatment is necessary. In Chinese medicine, this indicates that the cardiovascular system of the individual is weakened and the heart needs to be strengthened. According to Chinese medicine, the body requires healthy qi and blood, and when the heart qi is weak, the heart can be easily burdened even without strenuous physical activity. Therefore, physical exercise is inappropriate during this time. If you find yourself in this situation, we present to you a simple recipe for heart care. This cardiovascular health package includes San Qi, Panax ginseng, and Shi Yangshan, American ginseng. The recipe is very simple. Simply mix equal amounts of San Qi and Shi Yangshan powder, for example, 50 g of San Qi and 50 g of Shi Yangshan powder. Take it twice daily with warm water, usually 3-5 g per dose. San Qi is an important Chinese medicine that has hemostatic, blood-dissolving, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving effects. It is also known as the king of ginseng. Modern medical research shows that San Qi has good hemostatic and moisturizing effects. It can also be used to strengthen and improve the microcirculation of the coronary artery, dilate blood vessels, and have good analgesic, anti-fatigue, anti-inflammatory, and immunomodulatory effects to promote a normal immune response. Shi Yangshan is also a Chinese medicine with the effect of strengthening qi and nourishing yin. Although both ginseng and Shi Yangshan can strengthen qi, ginseng is warm in nature while Shi Yangshan is cold and nourishing. Modern medical research shows that Shi Yangshan has anti-fatigue, antioxidant, and anti-stress effects, inhibits platelet aggregation, and lowers blood clotting. If you also add danshan, Salvia miltiorrhiza, at the same time, you can also nourish the cerebral arteries. Who is this formula suitable for? If you have the following symptoms: frequent discomfort in the chest area, especially when experiencing fatigue, insomnia, or mental stress, long-term use of anticoagulants such as aspirin, which can cause side effects like gastric discomfort, have a history of heart attack and need to prevent recurrence, high blood viscosity in older people, etc. If you need this formula, please contact me or consult your local Chinese medicine therapist. In Switzerland, there are many high-quality Chinese medicine stores that can dispense medications based on medical prescriptions and are reimbursable through supplementary health insurance. In conclusion, we hope that readers can gain valuable information from this article to better protect their cardiovascular health. If you have any questions about cardiovascular health or need further information, you can contact us at any time. We will do our best to help and support you.